Aieee, oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. Today I'm doing something awesome. You know, people tell me that they just can't find good shrimp sandwiches, good shrimp po' boys, good shrimp plate lunches. It just don't taste right. The shrimp are too dark. They're just not deveined just right. The main thing is the taste and the color. The taste is what you want. Let me tell you what. Today I'm going to show you what to do with fresh shrimp to make them perfect. This is the world's best shrimp recipe for fried shrimp. I'm telling you, just like it is, you just got to watch Chef Bourque as I do it. Right now I'm going to show you my ingredients, and guess what? I'm going to go ahead and move you up a little closer so I can go ahead and do my mixing. Then I'm going to put you on the pot so you can see what's going on. I mean this pot now, don't get me wrong. They call for a little shot of, the old Tucker did it again. Alright, first of all, I've got a black cast iron pot. Now, this is what I'm using, okay? And let me show you something. Excuse my bird. Louisiana Dutch Oven Society. Hey, I'm part of the Latanya Cookers and the Dutch Oven Society, and let me tell you what. That is an awesome pot. Yes, indeed. That's what I be using out here when I get a chance. And it's hot right now. If I wasn't making this video, I'd probably pop this apron off. But, me. Alright, here we go. I got my Dutch oven. I got about that much grease in there. Oil. Cooking oil. Alright, I'm trying to get my oil up to 350 degrees. That's what you're going to fry it at. Alright, here's what you need. 1 cup of cornmeal. 2 cups all-purpose flour. I use unbleached, because to me unbleached is better for frying. Now, you're going to need garlic powder. You're going to need some cayenne pepper if you like cayenne pepper. If you don't like it, leave it out, yeah? Leave it out. You're going to need, naturally, some fresh shrimp. Hey, guess what? I'm using French's mustard. And I'm using salt. And that's it. I'm not doing anything else. So don't be looking for no egg and no milk and this and that and all these things, because you're not going to find it right here. When the grease gets hot, we'll be doing our thing. In the meantime, I'm moving my camera. So hey, be right back, Sheriff. Take it easy. Hot dang. All right, we're... Now we're going to work with our shrimp, yeah? And I got some beauties right here, let me tell you. First of all, I'm going to put a little garlic powder on my shrimp. Put a little cayenne pepper. Ooh, that bird's having a good time. He wants to be a movie star. Every time I come out here, that bird there goes crazy. That's old Paco. That's my little clown parrot. A little salt in there. Mix that real good. You know what I mean? All right. All right, let's get some mustard. You're not looking for eggs. You're not looking for anything else. Put some mustard on there. Just like this, regular mustard, household mustard. You know that mustard what you be eating on your sandwich? That's it, baby. Stir it in real good. Easy, easy, easy. Now, drop them in the bag. And I'm only doing a few today. What y'all think about them pilots around here, huh? We got pilots, we got birds. I even had a squirrel this morning giving me 10 kinds of heck. All right, now, I'm gonna shake it up. I'm at 350 degrees. Time for me to get some action going. All right, be right back. All right, it's 350 degrees, BB. Let's rock and roll. Let's drop some shrimp in there. Look at that, how pretty. See that? It's got a little cornmeal, got a little flour. Now here's the thing too, you gotta remember. I'm taking these out because that's the way I like them. And let me tell you what. If it's got too much cornmeal, cut it down. If it's got too much flour and you want more cornmeal, add more cornmeal. Look at this baby. Look at that. And I clean them puppies. Damn. Cut that fire off, man. I did, don't shy. Hey, look here, this Chef Bourque. I tell you like it is, Chef, it's all good on the bayou. Stop in and see me sometime. Oh, man. I need some wine. See y'all later.